Now, the Web Developer Toolbar is a great tool set to use, especially when breaking down a website in front of people and showing them what it looks like without all of the images, markup, and it allows you to show people what the website looks like to a search engine. The Web Developer Toolbar has a number of options available to you. The first thing you can do is click on the Disable option, and you can jump right in and start disabling things. Disable JavaScript, disable Java, disable redirects, disable all kinds of things that a search engine might not be able to see. You can disable cookies, you can delete cookie information, you can get in, disable all the style sheets, and as soon as you do that, you're going to see a major difference in the way the site looks, because now without the style sheet, you're seeing it how a search engine will see it. We can also take all the images, disable the images, and replace it with alt attributes. We can now make sure that we've got alt attributes for all of the images that we have on the site. And now you'll see that the site actually is very simple. By removing the style sheet, the page looks very simple because now we see the simple markup, we see the text, we see the alt images, and now we see it very similar to how a search engine sees it. A couple other things that we can do is we can get into the Information tab and we can start again looking at how the search engines look at the information. We can view the document outline, the document size. We can look at JavaScript, link information. Going to the Miscellaneous tab, we can linearize the page. What that does is it linearizes all of the content on the page so that it will be seen in the order that a search engine goes from top to bottom and looking at the code. And we can get a great sense of what a site looks like without all of the trappings of the images, the style sheet, the ads, and we can really see it as the search engines see it. And that will help you show someone what you're talking about when you're trying to explain what a search engine sees as opposed to what a human sees. Download the toolbar, install it in your browser, and start playing around with different websites. See what happens when you disable the style sheets, when you disable images, only render alt attributes. At the same time, you can also get in and validate the code right from the web page. You can also edit the style sheet and see what things look like. The Web Developer Toolbar allows you to do far more than what I've demonstrated here. So it's a challenge to get in and see how you can use it in your business and in troubleshooting websites.